Welcome back to MWV 757. And look what I have today. 2016 lifted black on black GMC Sierra Denali, 55,000 miles. This truck is nice, fully loaded. Whew. I don't know how to open this thing. Oh, I gotta put the key in. That's funny. Ugh. It is a little heavy. Pretty long bed. Okay, put a few things back there. Close this back. Sure. Locked up. Like I said, the thing is black on black. Let's have a look in the inside. Dang, why is everything just locked? So you gotta hit double tap it. Oh yeah, this got the black tint. Let's see. Like I said, you can see how tall it is. It's up to my shirt. Super clean. Open all the doors so it won't be as hot in here. Let's see if I can get up here. My jeans are pretty tight. Here we go. Come on. Oh, slippery. Oh, almost fell in this joint. Whew. I almost died trying to give you guys this video, but it's cool though. See, got the fresh 2 cup holders. Everything's clean. You can include to everything's clean. Almost slipped. That would have been a real video right there if I would have failed. But let's go ahead and hop in the front. Hopefully I don't fall getting in the front. Oh, here we go again. Round 2. Wait. Oh snap. I gotta switch hands. My bad. Oh, everything's slippery. Whew. Rule number 1. Never wax. Yes, sir. Go ahead and turn this all the way down. So I'm about to dusky. But as you can see, I'm way up there. It has, if it'll focus for me, 55,000 miles. Almost at 57,000. Nice little sunroof for you to enjoy the sunlight. Get a nice little vitamin D on the body. It's got the extra power outlets. Like I said, you probably can plug a PS5 to this one. If you got TVs running back there, that'd be pretty cool. Nice little road trip. It's a lot of space, a lot of storage. Little gun compartment for all you gun lovers out there. Like I said, this truck is really nice. It's a nice turbo setup, nice growl to it. Oh yeah, she's pretty. You can see the big white back there, but everything super nice. Sound system, it does have a Bose sound system, so you already know this joint be thumping. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna give you a walk around on the front. You see what's going on. underneath the big fella. Let's go have a look. Oh. This thing's crazy. There's wax on it. Like I said, blacked out. Super crazy. There goes that thing again. It's really crazy. Turn signals. Got extra lights. Towing mirrors. The look from the passenger side. Yes, sir. Yeah, it sounds really good. But if you do like this truck, I'll leave my homeboy's number in the description. You can give him a call. But I like doing these little car review things. It's pretty cool. Testing it out. Just something else to do on the channel other than like vlogs. But leave a comment down below if you like what you see. And I'll see if I can do more exotic cars. Show you what else we got in stock. All right, we gone.